Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily transform any photo into a stunning sketch using Photoshop. So let's dive right in. First up, press Ctrl+J to duplicate your layer, and then hit Ctrl+I to invert it. Next, change the blending mode from normal to color dodge. You'll see your image start to transform already. Now go to the adjustment layer and click on Hue and Saturation. Slide the saturation all the way down to -100 for that perfect black and white effect. After that, make sure you select Layer 1. Head over to the Filter menu, navigate to Blur, and select Gaussian Blur. Adjust the radius until you get that perfect sketch look, then click OK. For the final touch, go back to the adjustment layer and click on Levels. Adjust the slider to make your sketch a little darker and really bring out those details. And just like that, your photo has been beautifully transformed into a sketch. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.